In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a blow motor located in front of the passenger seat down by the feet in a Jeep Wrangler. Grab the electrical connector, take that red tab, that's a lock tab, you're going to push up on it like that. That just gets it out of the way. Now you can push on this tab and pull. Now your blow motor is disconnected. Way back here you'll see a little tab hanging down. This is a twist-in style. So you're going to pull down on that lock tab and twist it. There you go. Just pull your blow motor out. Now to install the new blow motor, I'm going to show you that little notch back here. That is where that tab locks into. And I'll show you what the tab looks like. Just that extended piece of plastic on the base of that blow motor. So being in the general area of where you want that to go, you're going to bring your blow motor up, and now you're going to turn it clockwise until it locks in. Grab your tab back there, make sure it's in the notches. Nice and sturdy. Grab your connector, line it up, and then put that lock tab back on. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.